Congratulations na muna.
Thank you! Thank you so much.
Paano ka napapaya?
Well, I always want, I want to be grateful for anything that's given to me. So kapag meron pong ganitong opportunity, if the product works for me, yun ang importante, I would definitely go for it nang walang isip-isip pa.
Pero tinry mo na siya ng mga ilang buwan?
Yes po. Actually, I've been using it for a month now, and kahit yung less than a month kasi nakikita ko na yung changes, not necessarily like physically wise agad, but yung sleeping pattern ko parang mas madali ako nakakatulog sa gabi, and then yung energy level ko parang mas ganado akong mag-work, and yung throughout the day I'm really more energized after taking it for a couple of
parang
weeks.
using the soft glow, parang nabawasan yung time mo na mag-ayos na mag-ayos, diba?
Totoo, yun yung isang malaking perks in taking New Moon Soft Glow. Kasi yun nga, skincare, sometimes we don't really have the time for all of that. Pinasimple. So para siyang skincare in a bottle, and it's also holistic because it takes care of yourself, your wellness.
Elise, ngayon na mommy ka na, mahirap bang mag-maintain ng kagandahan bilang isang nanay?
Mahirap ba mag-maintain? Hindi nyo lang siguro napapansin outside, pero syempre pag mother ka na, yung mga highs and lows, extremes din. So hindi nyo nakikita yung walang-wala talaga, yung lows of the lows. Ang nakikita lang natin is the celebratory highs of life. But kung yung tanong is mahirap bang mag-maintain, mas mahirap mag-maintain ng yung inner wellness kesa yung beauty. Because I think sa beauty, naturally yung lalabas if you're happy inside.
Paano mo hinahatid?
I make sure I just take a day off. Hindi ko pinipilit yung sarili kong may gawin sa isang araw because I know I'm not gonna be productive naman kung merong problema. So, binibigyan ko ng time yung sarili ko to process it and embrace it kung ano man yun, kahit hindi maganda, yung feeling na yun. And then the next day, I'll feel better, a little better, and parang mas meron akong drive to go through the day.
Kapag ba may mga ganun kang mga moments, apektado lahat ng bagay? Halimbawa, parang yung whole day mo sira dahil sa ganung moments.
Actually, totoo yan. Kaya sinasabi kong it's important to take a day off or little time off kasi lahat na apektuhan. It's like a domino effect. If you're going through something internally, lalabas at lalabas yan, maapektuhan yung daily activities ko. So, just take a few moments to yourself na ramdamin and mag-isip ng solusyon kung ano man yung nagdadalo.
Hindi ba yung mga typical ng girl na parang may time na parang may topa? Yung gano'n?
Siguro, after naging nanay ako, nabawasan yung walang kwentang toyo. Pero pag yung sinasabi na tinopak, ano na yun, there's an actual reason for it. Pero hindi na yung the way I manage it, hindi na yung kagaya dati na puro emosyon.
Ano rin business? Paano mo binabalance to? Showbiz, your business, being a mother?
Actually, yes, I do have a beauty and wellness business, Lunch Break Beauty, if you guys could check that out. Mahirap siya, sa totoo lang. Wala akong parang other word for it, kundi mahirap siya. But at the end of the day, it's fulfilling. Kasi I went in that type of business because I myself enjoy it. It's a passion for me. So mas nakakabawas sa hardship, I guess. And nandun yung fulfillment na alam mong at the end of the day, you're helping other people to feel beautiful and confident in themselves. And then pangalawa is yung ginagawa mo to because of your family.
What's next after Pira-Pirasong Paraiso? Inaabangan ka na sa TV eh.
I'm so excited because I'll be doing something very soon. I think we'll start next month, hopefully. And hindi pa ako makapagbigay ng details, but
Di pa. But it's a good project.
Hindi pa pwede. Hindi pa pwede, pero sobrang excited po ako. And I hope you guys are as excited na abangan to. Kasi grabe.
And Liz, nanonood ka ba ng Batang Cat?
Yes!
Ano reaction mo kay Mokoy? Nakakainis ba?
Parang nakakainis in a way na nakaka-proud. Because he's come a long way.
Anong sasabi mo sa akin? Sa iba?
Yes, and actually napag-uusapan namin yung gano'n. It helps us both. Minsan nag-ask ako sa kanya, anong ginawa mo doon? Paano mo ginawa yun? Kasi nakakabilib din as me as an audience. So,
Kamusta na kayo?
okay naman po. we want to keep our private life private. What you see is what we just want to share. Yun po.
Wala pa tayo sa level na kasal ba tayo? May ganun, walang ganun.
I think it's gonna come when the timing is right. Parang pinag-pray ko po na ngayon masunod yung ating parang tamang pagkakataon and tamang time for it.
Parenting styles, paano ka? Si Makoy.
Parenting, siya yung mas disciplinary sa aming dalawa.
Spoiler ka.
Hindi naman, pero kasi ngayon parang gusto kong i-enjoy ni Feliz yung pagkabata niya, and siya mismo makadiscover kung ano yung mga gusto niya, mga ayaw niya, and then doon lang ako papasok kapag napapahamak na siya.
Please, Going Bulilit is back. Would you be open to having your kid join it?
I heard, pero I also heard na age 5 and above pa. So, hindi pa pwede si Feliz. Pero, thinking about it, parang feeling ko nga magugustuhan niya eh. Pero, siguro not yet. For now,
Ilan taon na ba?
3 pa lang siya.
Okay, kasi anak din ni Jong Hilario. 3 lang din.
Yes, pero parang kasing daldal na ng 5-year-old. So, if they permit it, we can see
Gusto ko rin.
Okay doon.
kung gusto niya, kung nag-e-enjoy siya.
At least magbubukas na yung bahay ni Kuya very soon. Advice mo sa mga incoming housemates?
Ang advice ko lang is to really enjoy the moment kasi hindi mo nga malalaman kung anong mangyayari sa susunod na araw. So ako, I enjoyed the whole experience, and yun lang talaga ma-advise ko is to just live by the moment habang nandun sila sa loob ng bahay. It's exciting.
Thank you.